Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Pulse Plus, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. Then scroll down a little bit to find block numbers. Let's tap, and as you can see, your device will inform you that you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. So let's tap on block, and as you can see, unfortunately in my device for some reason this option does not work. However, you should see the characteristic icon here, which will show you that the number has been blocked. You will be able to unblock it the same way, so tapping on this option. So this is the first way of blocking the number, and the second one is with the usage of the settings. So here it does not really matter whether you will be in the contacts, recents or favorites. Tap on the three dot icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Here we have to find blocked numbers in the general, and basically this is our blacklist. Let's tap on add a number, and as you can see here, you can enter it directly, so you do not have to have the number saved on your contacts. Tap on block and it will be immediately blocked. What is more, you can use this option unknown just by tapping on the switch, or you can activate it, and now your device will block the calls from all unidentified callers. So you can of course turn it off also. If you want to unblock the number, tap on this X button and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.